Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Sunday. I've been waiting for an offer, so I decided to do what you're telling me to do. You've told me to camp out in front of high-paying restaurants, so I parked right in front of this sushi restaurant, and I got an offer. $6.02, 9 minutes. It's a quick one, easy money. Let's go grab it. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, ACAEC.
Okay.
You got it. Perfect, thank you. I love that last order. I was right in front of the restaurant and it was ready. 3 minutes down the road, all in, 5 minutes for $6. I'll take that all day, every day. And I'll also take this one, $9.06 for 20 minutes. I didn't even have time to get back to that sushi restaurant, but let's go grab this one. Hi, Uber Eats for Dave. Wonderful, thank you. Appreciate it. Got your dinner for you.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. You got it? Perfect. Have a good night. Thank you. I'm starting to think there's something to the subscriber tip of just camping out in front of high-paying restaurants. As soon as that was done, I came to this Chinese food restaurant, I parked the car, and right away I got this one. $15.67, 26 minutes. That's pretty awesome. That's going to put me over $30 in the first hour. Love it. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, 4E93F. Wonderful, it's ready. Thank you. Appreciate that. How are you today? Good, you? Doing well, thank you. There you go, enjoy. Have a wonderful night, thanks. That last drop off, as great as it was, took me about 10 minutes out of my zone. So it took me a little bit to get back into the zone. I got a bunch of trip radars. One of them I really wanted. It was like $13, 21 minutes. They didn't give me a match. So I went back to the sushi restaurant and waited. About 12 minutes later, I got frustrated because all they were giving me was no tip offers, nothing for the sushi restaurant. I'm guessing no one's ordering from there. So I came in front of a Thai kitchen. And again, they just keep throwing at me all these non-tip trip radars. Why am I going to take it? Eventually a trip radar came in, $11.59, 32 minutes. It shows the movie theater, so that should be ready. So let's go grab it. Hi, Uber, yes, 65E37. Sure, no problem. So that second pickup wasn't ready. I canceled it right away, even though she told me it was going to only take 5 more minutes. This was also a trip radar. I saw it come in earlier. It was a $3, no tip. Why am I going to wait around when there's not a tip? It's not really going to be worth my while. Probably another $2 anyway. And then I got back to the car and they gave me plus 405 for this exact same offer. They really wanted me to take it, but you know what? I'm not waiting for it. I'm going to deliver to the tipping customer. Let's go get this dropped off. I can't believe I did this, but I made the worst mistake by canceling that non-tip order. Once I delivered the popcorn, I took a look and the base pay for that order, originally $11.59 for the two, turned out to be $3.59 base pay plus a $1 tip. So all I got was $4.59 for 18 minutes. I'm still pretty confident that second freshie order was a non-tip order because I saw the end address and that freshie order had that address when it originally showed me $3 in a trip radar. So they're probably just having two low no tips at a really good rate so someone would take it like me, only for me to say I'm not going to take it and then really mess with it. Instead of getting almost $12, I'm getting around $4.59. Not happy about that. This last hour has been horrible. I went off to a really great start, 30 bucks in the first hour, and now I'm down to $3-4 for that last hour. Comment down below, what would you have done? Would you have canceled that order thinking it was a non-tip? Would you just sucked it up, waited the 5 minutes, which was probably 10, and then all of a sudden delivered it and just tried to guarantee that? Let me know your comments. Hopefully we'll get something really soon. You know, I was trying to shake that one off and just wait for a better order, but I was waiting and I was waiting and I was waiting. Seems like the orders have stopped. Finally, I got this one, $10.04, 24 minutes. It's not too bad. Hopefully it gets us back on track. Let's go grab it. I'm picking up Uber Eats for Curtis.
Got it.
Wonderful. Glad it's ready. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good night.
You too. Take care. So Uber Eats keeps throwing me really bad offers. Like, it is the worst offers I've seen in a very long time. The worst one, $3.66, 38 minutes, 2 pickups and 2 drop-offs. No thank you. I don't know who in their right mind is taking an offer like that. But then I got this one, $5 for 11 minutes. You know what? It's not too bad. It's getting me closer to home. Who knows how long I'm going to stay out here with all the bad offers they've been giving me. But let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Kristen. Perfect, thank you. So I wanted to give you some final thoughts on camping out in front of a really expensive restaurant. My thoughts tonight have been, in the beginning when it was dinner time, it worked out well. I was able to get some really good offers because I was the first one it was offered to. So absolutely love that. As the night went on and the orders just got a little bit lighter, I was camped out in front of those restaurants. I think they weren't getting any orders, which means I couldn't get any orders. So it just kind of wasted my time at that point. So my recommendation and what I'm going to do during those peak times, I'm going to camp out in front of those restaurants, hoping to get the really good orders. Otherwise, I'm just going to go to areas that have multiple options. Hopefully one of them can kick in. And that's going to be my strategy going forward. Thanks to all of you who gave that suggestion, but you can't do it all the time. If you have any other thoughts, let me know. But it's getting late, and this is going to put my night to a close. I'm going to end with $51.62. It should have been a much better night. First of all, I had that cancellation that really screwed me over, and also I started a little late. I went around 6 o'clock instead of 5 or 5:30. I think that hour really could have been beneficial, especially considering my first hour was $30. You know what? I'll take it. I'm going to look on the bright side. That's over $50 I didn't have in my pocket a few hours ago. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.